Hello children, Sai Ram. So children, today we will discuss about our Essay 1 assessment, that is Summative Assessment 1, which contains orals and activity. Now children, this will be having orals and activity. So what will come in orals? Let's see. So for orals, you have to learn tables from 12 to 14. So the table of 12, 13 and 14, that you have to revise and you have to learn them thoroughly. Okay. So let's revise the tables. You can also say along with me. Okay. So let's start with the table of 11. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99 and 11 tens are 110. Now the table of 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108 and 12 tens are 120. Now the table of 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 sixes are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117 and 13 tens are 130. Now the table of 14. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126 and 14 tens are 140. Now the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135 and 15 tens are 150. So for oral student, you have to practice tables from 1 to 10 and you have to learn and write tables from 12 to 15 at least 5 times in the orals, but in the orals only the table of 12, 13 and 14 will be asked. So revise all those tables thoroughly children, okay? That is regarding your activity, Essay 1 orals. Now let's see the Essay 1 activity. Now what will come in activity? So your activity is based on data handling, and in data handling it has tally marks. So first of all children, what is data? Do you know what is data? Okay, data or information is usually collected through observations. When you observe something and then you collect the information regarding that, that is called data. Okay. Now data can be represented by using tally marks, which are vertical lines drawn for each observation. Although data can be represented by other methods as well, that you have already done in the previous classes, like pictograph, bar graph, and one of the method is tally marks. So what are tally marks? They are verticals line, like this, vertical lines drawn for each observation. So suppose one observation. So how will be showing one observation? One vertical line. Two observations, two vertical lines. Three observation, three vertical lines. Okay. Fourth observation, four vertical lines. Now for the fifth observation, a line is drawn crossing the four vertical lines. Now suppose you have to show the fifth observation. So how you will be showing that? you will put a cross. You will draw a line crossing the four vertical lines. So this will show you fifth observation. This will count for fifth observation. Okay. We cannot draw five vertical lines for five observations. That will be wrong. How we will show in tally marks? How we will show fifth observation? We will draw four vertical lines and then we'll put a cross. A line we will draw crossing the four vertical lines, which will be showing us the fifth observation. Okay, children? So let's take one example. So Raju invited his friends for his birthday party. It's Raju's birthday party. So he wanted to know what flavor of ice cream each friend liked. Then he wanted to know which flavor of ice cream is liked by each of his friends. Some of them like strawberry, some of them may like vanilla, like this. So what did he do? He collected the following information. What did he do? First he collected the information about that which flavor of ice cream is liked by how many of his friends. So there you can see represent the following. So represent the given data using tally marks. So you can see a table here. In the first column you can see ice cream flavors. There you can see ice cream flavor. These are the number of people, number of his friends who liked a particular ice cream flavor. Like 7 of his friends liked which flavor? Strawberry. Then vanilla is liked by 5. Chocolate is liked by how many? 16. Butterscotch is liked by 14. And mango is liked by 8 of his friends. Okay. Then one more thing. One of his friend can choose only one ice cream flavor. A single person cannot choose 2 or more ice cream flavors. Okay. So there you can see the column for tally marks. Now we have to represent this data, this information in the form of tally marks. So how we will represent number 7? So let's draw tally marks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know how to represent the fifth observation. Yes, we will draw a cross across the four vertical lines to show the fifth observation. So this will count for fifth and then 6, 7. Okay, 7 is liked by 7 people like which ice cream flavor? Strawberry. Now vanilla is liked by 5. So how we will represent 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the fifth observation, we will draw a line crossing the four vertical lines. Isn't it? Okay. Now let's see chocolate. Chocolate flavor is liked by 16. So let's represent this as well using tally marks. So how will represent? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now how many more do we have to count? 6 more. 10. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And one more 16. Got it, children? Okay. Now let's see butterscotch. Butterscotch is liked by 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14. Got it, children? In the same way, let's see how many of them like mango flavor. Mango is liked by 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it, children? In this way only we represent the data using the tally marks. So let's see the activity with that you have to do. In the same way you will represent the data using tally mark. So your question is, your activity, SA1 activity is conduct a survey on 50 people regarding their eating habits. Healthy, that may include healthy and unhealthy food items. And then you have to represent this data using tally marks. So for conducting this survey on 50 people, you may call your friends, you may call your relatives, okay? You may ask them what kind of food do they like, and you have to give them the choice. Just see how. So here you will be making a table like this, where you will, in the first column, you will write the items, the eatables, okay? Like, you will not tell them whether it is healthy or unhealthy. First you will conduct the survey, okay? And you have to observe then afterwards that how many of people them the healthy, they like the healthy food, or whether they are having the unhealthy food, okay? So these are the items, choice of items that you will provide them, like pasta, upma, noodles, fruit salad, sandwiches, okay? And then you have to ask them that how many of them like pasta, how many, and then again a single person can opt for a single eatable only, single item only. One of your friend cannot say that I like upma as well as I like sandwiches. One person can choose only one item, okay? And these choices you have to provide them, and you have to ask them amongst them which is the food item that you like, okay? So suppose, just an example, suppose pasta is liked by 8 people, upma is liked by 10, okay? Likewise noodles suppose liked by 12. So in this way you will, first you will observe, you will write the information here, and then you will just represent this data using the tally marks. So if suppose pasta is liked by 8 people, so how you will represent 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it, children? In the same way you will represent the data for other food items as well, after getting the information that how many of them like which particular food item. Got it, children? So this is your essay 1 activity, okay? Now, so children, now let's see the instructions for your activity. So first of all, children, you can do it on any paper that is available to you, okay? Then what you will do, on the top of that paper you will write down maths essay 1 activity along with the topic. What is your topic? Data handling. In data handling, what is your topic? Tally marks, that you have to write on the top. Then children, it should be handwritten. It should be neatly handwritten only, not typed, okay? It should be properly handwritten. Then you will write your name, class, division, subject and SID number. This is very important, because if you will not mention your name, class, division, we will not be able to assess your activity. So that is very important that you write your name, class, division, subject and SID number, okay? Then how you will send the activity? First you have to scan it, and then you have to send it in PDF format to your class teacher, okay? You have to scan it, you can use any scanner, then you have to send it in the PDF format to your class teacher, okay? This is regarding your activity. Now let's see how you will submit your orals. So I already told you that you have to learn the table of 12, 13 and 14 thoroughly. Then before saying the table, you have to introduce yourself, okay? You have to introduce that my name is this, I am from this division, and then you have to start recording a video. You have to record a video of it saying the table of only 12, 13 and 14. You have to record a video of it, and then you have to send it to your class teacher's WhatsApp number, okay? You have to send it to her personally, not in a group. You have to send it personally to her. Then while saying the tables in the video, your face should be properly visible, okay? Then this activity is carrying marks, so it is mandatory for all. You all have to do this activity and oral, okay? Then when to submit. So today is 13th, children. So submission date for your essay 1 maths activity and oral, that I told you, that we already discussed right now, that you have to submit on 15th of August before 8 p.m. Okay, when you have to submit on 15th of August before 8 p.m. Okay, so that's all, children. So all the best for all your activity and orals. So take care and all the best. Do well. Thank you.